Hello my dear students. Now again I am back with your English class of Standard 1 and today we are going to complete the checkpoint questions and I understand. This is video 3 of chapter 12 on the moon. So what you have to do? Go and take out your course book first. Okay? And pencil and eraser must be with you. Isn't it? So hurry up students. Go and take out your course book. So this is our English course book. And take out page number 70. Page number 70. Chapter 12 on the moon. And we have done the I connect section. We have done the reading part. We have done the hard words, the word meanings, everything. Now we will do the question answers. And what I told you, you have to read the chapter. You have to read the chapter, watch the video and read according to it. Okay? So, checkpoint. Question number 1. What did Amar love doing? Amar loved doing what? Amar loved reading books. Okay? So, you can write here, Amar loved reading books. Which book was Amar reading? Which book was Amar reading? Amar was reading a book on space travel. Amar was reading a book on space travel. Clear? Now come to question number 3. What did Amar see on the moon? Amar saw a lot of rocks on the moon. Here there is very less space. If you can't write here, it's okay. Otherwise, write here. Answer 3. Amar saw a lot of rocks on the moon. Okay? Question number 4. How did he wake up from his dream? Do you remember how? Yes. He was fallen off from his chair. He was fallen off from his chair. So, answer number 4. He woke up from his dream after falling off his chair. Okay? So, we have completed the questions, checkpoint questions. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, let us do the I understand section. I understand. Tick the correct option. Where did Amar dream of going? What was Amar's dream? Where he want to go? To the moon. So, tick this option. What does Amar ride on the moon? A car, a bicycle, a moon bike? What? Yes, a moon bike. He rode a moon bike on the moon. How does the earth appear from the rocket? Like a round ball, like a long stick, like a big orange, like a round ball. Okay? Now, question number A we have completed. Question number B. 1. What was Amar fond of? Amar was fond of reading books on space travel. Here it is written. Amar loved reading books. So he was fond of reading books. And on which topic? On space travel. So you will write Amar was fond of reading books on space travel. What did Amar wear to go to the moon? What he wear to go to the moon? Yes, space suit. So, but you have to write the answer in full sentence. Space suit and helmet. Amar wore a space suit and helmet to go to the moon. Amar wore a space suit and helmet to go to the moon. Clear? Where was Amar going in his dream? Amar was going to the moon in his dream. Is it clear? Amar was going to the moon in his dream. Number 4. Why were there no plants or animals on the moon? There were no plants or animals on the moon because there were only rocks on the moon. In your book it is written that there were only rocks. No plants and animals were there. Okay, no life was there on the moon. There were only rocks. So what you will write? There were no plants and animals on the moon because there were only rocks on the moon. What became bigger and bigger as Amar went into space? What became bigger and bigger? The stars and the moon. The stars and the moon. The moon became bigger and bigger as Amar went into the space. See here it is written. Amar could see the stars. He could also see the moon. It was getting bigger and bigger. Because Amar was close to them. Amar was going close to them. So they were becoming bigger and bigger. Clear? So we have completed this section B also. I understand question number A and question number B. Now, turn the page number 72. Think and reflect. Why do you think the earth looked smaller and smaller to Amar as he went into space? Why do you think the earth looked smaller and smaller? The earth looked smaller and smaller to Amar as he went into space because he was getting farther from, he was far away. He was getting farther from it as he went closer to the moon, and he was going closer to the moon. So, the earth looked smaller and smaller to Amar as he was getting farther from it and he went closer to the moon. Okay? Number 2. Why do you think Amar put a space suit and a helmet before sitting in the rocket? I told you initially that to protect our body and our head, the astronauts who are going to the space, they are wearing space suit and wearing helmet also to protect their body and head. So, as astronauts wears a space suit when he goes into the space, this is why Amar put on a space suit and a helmet before sitting in the rocket. Okay? As astronauts put spacesuit and helmet before going to the space, Amar also wear spacesuit and helmet before sitting in the rocket. Clear? Number 3. Why do you think people go to space even when there is no life? Yes. See here it was written that there were only rocks. There were rocks all around, no plants and animals. That means no life was there. Why do you think? Yes, people go to space even there is no life to make new scientific discoveries about our universe, to know more and more about universe. To know more and more about universe, our astronauts goes to the space, and to learn about other forms of life besides us. They also want to learn whether there is other form of life besides plants and animals. So they go to space. Clear? So we have done up to think and reflect. Now here in iLink section there are some you have to read this. Invention, discovery. It is written about the discovery of wheel. Okay. So please go through it, and you will come to know about the discovery of wheel. So read this one. What were the things by which the first wheels were first made, and how the wheels were modified again? And here in this page you will learn about the trains and aeroplanes, how were in the earlier time and how are they now. Okay, so you read this thing. It is for your general knowledge. You should know about all these things. So read this thing, this both this iLink section, both the pages, and after that you can we will do this question answer. First we have to read. You read this thing first, then in class we will do this question answers. Okay. Now Nikhil and Shyamla have just come back from their vacation. Let us listen to their conversation. Now this one is the listening part, and we can't do it now until and unless we will go to the class, because we have to listen that conversation of Nikhil and Shyamla in the smart board, then only we can do this thing. Okay, I observe section. So we have to leave this. Now come to the last page, page number 74, I extend. You must have seen people getting petrol or diesel filled in their cars. Petrol and diesel make cars, scooters, buses and many other vehicles to run. Yes, we all know that they are the food for the cars and scooters, buses, all petrol and diesels. Petrol and diesels are the fuel for the vehicles. Isn't it? We know that they are the fuel for the vehicles. The vehicles run. Without this petrol and diesel, the vehicles are unable to run. Now look at this picture carefully. This car is getting charged by electricity. Yes, nowadays with gas and electricity also vehicles can run. It runs on batteries and does not need petrol or diesel. This car runs with the help of battery. This car runs with the help of battery. Petrol or diesel is not needed. And some cars are there, they are running by CNG gas. Okay. Now name 3 things in your house that run on batteries and are charged by electricity. Nowadays it is very easy to answer this question, especially this one. Name 3 things in your house that run on batteries and are charged by electricity. Yes, every day you are doing class. What are you using? Laptop, mobile, and camera. We are charging the batteries of camera also. So these are the things that runs on batteries and are charged by electricity. And day by day, every day we are using these 3 things, isn't it? So today we have completed this chapter, and only these 2 portions are left. You will read this one, and after that we will discuss it in the class. Okay.